rotating tires to the A-frame and to the emergency lift area. Going to lift the car. It's showtime! Where are the jack stand locations? The emergency jacks right here. And where is the A-frame that I'm putting onto? Right where the jack is standing. Whoops! You don't want to be... I did not jump, but... Quickly, I need to get my jack underneath. I got a problem. I got weight on the car. Not sure how that happened. Emergency brake or the pressure. Underneath it goes. Lifting. Woo. That is not good. Not good at all when you have problems and no eyes. You could have talked to